Yo guys, welcome back by Captain of Industry. Last episode we did a lot of replacements and renewing, and today we're gonna fix some other problems that we have. A diesel supply. We definitely need to build more of these oil refineries, but before we can do that we need to fix the railway. It needs to get bigger so we have more space for oil refineries. And we also need to keep ourselves busy on a plastic fabric to produce plastic and chlorine. Last episode we already make here a mining destination, but they did not start it. So for now we just need to make a simple pipe connected to a plastic fabric. We also need to put this on naphthalene, and this need to be on coal. So keep full, because we also still need to make a train line for this. But yeah, I can only make that when the station is ready. So, but the station is not yet fully ready, because we still need to make some adjustments to it. And I see now that this is not straight. It needs to be straight, like this can be. Because when this is connected, we can still connect something on this, I guess. Yeah. We need to make a loose material U-shaped lift elevator. So this need to go in here. The direction need to be different. Let's connect this. Yes, like this. Yes, look at that, that's perfect. Let's build it. We also want to make this complete. And we can fill this full section also with stones and dirt. Most of it gonna be stone, but yeah, that's fine. And our graphite factory need to be fixed as well. Because we're gonna upgrade our refineries. Sorry, or arc furnace. We're gonna place it to arc furnace. There's no we have now this system, the blast furnace, but we're gonna do it in arc furnace. Let's make this also complete. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, and I also was busy with making a new train line here, because I think it's better that we have separated train lines. Because if you're gonna have more trains, it's better. It's better that we have also more stations. Why we cannot connect it? Oh, terrain is still low. Okay. Maybe like this. Wait, let's make it here. Place this here. And then we make in the middle another train line. Like that. Set the directions. So for example, this is gonna be plastic. It's gonna be plastic. And that's gonna be graphite. And maybe we can extend it a little bit so that we can send 2 wagons. And then we also need to have a fluid. Wait. I think that's gonna be also. I think that's gonna be also 2 stations from that. With a line in between. Like that, yeah. And we need to have fluid stations. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's fixed. Is it really necessary to have 2? No, it's not necessary. We delete this. This is good enough. So this can be deleted also. This we're gonna delete for now. Because this we need to place it through. It's gonna be right here. It's a plastic. Yeah, like this. But we have here a fluid station. There's only one thing that we need to fix. And that's gonna be, we need to have a train that's gonna deliver diesel. And I think we're gonna place it on a different location. I'm gonna place here 1 tank so that we can connect this there. Wait, let's fix first. This we gotta make first. So we're gonna connect first all our belts. That's for that. And then the graphite we need. Graphite is a product, so we need this. We also need it here. No, only here. Here. It can be on this area. Yeah. So this goes to here. Place it there, there, and there, and there. That's perfect. And then this needs to be connected to here, but now we're gonna have a problem. Of pipes. Maybe we can make it like this. Wait, let me check. No. We gotta move it. It's fine. We're gonna move it. gonna move all this section a little bit farther so that we have more space. Why are you so messed up? Like this can be. That can be. We need to make only then a pipeline for here. Yeah. And then I need a pipe on top. That goes all the way into a tank. No, I'm thinking right now that it's better that we delete this, because we're gonna build our rubber station also here. Because we have a main source here of soil water, so we're gonna transfer our soil water from our ore station from this location. We have it right here. And we're gonna make a rubber station in this area, so we can make a fabric, fully fabric. The thing is, where we're gonna place it. Maybe we can make a railway going in from here. It goes right to here. No, we're gonna make a railway from here. Make it straight, yeah. Like this. And then from here I want this, and here is gonna be a station, unload station, and then it connects to the middle line, and this need to be connected to here, this also, yeah, so that we can make here a rubber station. But first our trains need to deliver it. I think we can't reach, that's not a problem, because everything gonna be on the train, so don't worry. We need a fluid station, and I think we can make only one train, or we make a double one. Wait, this need to be a little bit farther, because we first need to have a liquid, so our trains can be loaded with diesel, or in the future with hydrogen. We have here the capacity of 2, 4, 6, so 3 wagons. So we're also gonna place here 3 wagons, so 3 stations for 3 wagons. 2, 4, 6, yes. And let me check, maybe we make another one. Yeah, we can make another one. so that we can copy this. Make it exact. Like that, yeah, nice. Then we need to remove. So this is gonna be diesel. This is gonna be salt water. Where is it? Salt water. That. Unload. Then we're gonna copy everything and paste everything with our nice paintbrush. That we can't. Diesel. This pipe needs to be connected also. To our fuel. Yeah, that's perfect. So now that we have a factory with salt water, we only need to make our rubber station. A rubber factory, station, what do you want to call it? We need steam for that. And we have a supply of coal here. But we can also run on oil. And we have a lot of it that we can use, like heavy oil or fuel. But we're gonna take the heavy oil, but for that we have a station. Okay, we can get it. So we're gonna place another fluid station. Maybe we make this two of it. So like that. Yeah. And we need to connect this also. Like that. And then we're gonna make, in this area we're gonna make a rubber salt water stripper to sulfur. That makes ammoniac, and ammoniac we can use for fertilizer, so that's a good station. And it's also going to produce water, so we have water for steam factory. Wait, let's make first one station, one storage tank. I'm gonna place it here. And one storage tank for the heavy oil. Yeah. Then we're gonna place it a little bit farther. Still have space, so that's perfect. Maybe we can make here a pickup station for our rubber that we're gonna produce. And I think that we need to place it a little bit farther. Like that. This is gonna be salt water. Salt water. This is gonna be heavy oil. only means that we need to make a pipe from here. It goes up. Okay. That can be connected on the heavy oil. This goes in here. Wait. It's better that we do it like this and then go up. Yeah, like that. So that we can actually connect our pipe nice, smooth, and it don't take much of space. Now we're gonna need to attach our saw water. Same height. Wait. Then we're going to connect on the saw water, so that's perfect. It was better if you put a balancer in it, but yeah. In loading it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, this needs to be here. Because we need diesel. So let's build this. Oh, we do not take too much. No. So we have saw water. We have our heavy oil. We need to make steam. And before we're gonna make the steam, we're gonna connect our saw water. That's for the saw water. And we need a boiler. And we need a water tank. And I think we're gonna make it here. Then we only need to place a level crossing entrance for the vehicles, so that the vehicles can fill our water tank. Let's make this already water and fill it. Prioritize and hoppa. And export. It's always handy so the cars can bring it directly. This has enough cars. And we also need to build our boiler. And we're gonna make it with oil. Because I have your, yeah, we don't use it many times. Yeah, only for the ships, but yeah. It's better that we use it for boiling. Smoke. And then we need to connect our steam. But we need first our U-shapes. Like that. That's how we need to make it. So. Now that we have that, we're gonna have a big problem with our water supplies, because when you make silver, you also get 21 of water. So we need to make a tank here, so that we can store that water in a tank and use it for farming or something else. Or we can reproduce it for something else, for housings or anything else that we need water for, we can use it. It's better that we're gonna use trains to bring it away, put it to our housing. We need silver, but we also need to have silver for Assen, to build Assen, so we need to make it. Let me check rubber making. It need to be having Naplin or coal, but we're gonna use the Naplin for that. But that means that we need to have an extra pipe for that. Next week we're also going to start a new episode videos from another game. We're gonna show you the game Stationaires. Stationaires is a really nice game also. A building game in space that you need to survive. Build your base on the moon or on another planet. It's a really nice game. We're definitely gonna show you that. But that's gonna be for next week. Okay, that's not gonna work, so we need space. Like that. You go my way. This is for this. This need to be with Naplin. Naplin. Yeah. And now that we see this, I want to remove something from this. Because I want here a train station, a pickup station. But for making that we need a line in between, like that, and a station, but our space is not so big, but maybe we can fit it. It's calculated, it's calculated. Means this, and this need to be longer. And this is all connected, so we have it. Our system is done. We have a train line that's gonna bring our naplet inside with coal. We have a train line that brings salt water inside with heavy oil, and we have two train lines with plastic and graphite. So we can start build this. We only need to name it. This is gonna be our rubber pickup. Only thing that we need to put is that need to be on rubber. Yeah, it's connected. We have here our, let's say we're gonna make it in plastic. No, we're gonna just name this napta. We're gonna name it like this. Napla drop-off plastic factory. I think that's a good name for the factory. Yeah. And this is gonna be our plastic pickup. Plastic pickup station. And this is gonna be our graphite. Yeah. Graphite. En dan hebben we hier nog wat saltwater. Saltwater erop. So 1, 2, 1, 2. We have one major issue, and that's gonna be this problem. And that is this we need to put on salt water, otherwise it will not be even. So this is gonna be heavy oil, that's fine, but that only means that this pipe needs to be removed. Like this. So that's for now. Next episode we're gonna put the trains to the stations, and then also the oil refinery that we need to fix. So that was it for this episode. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.